Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what really happens to your brain during a marathon? Today, I'm diving deep into the science behind how running those 26.2 miles can transform your brain. So, let's start with the biggie brain fog. You know that hazy, almost disoriented feeling you get after a marathon? Well, a recent study from Spain published shows that our brain actually uses myelin, that's the fatty insulation around nerve fibers, as fuel when we run out of glycogen during a marathon. Now, when this happens, MRI scans revealed something pretty wild. Within 48 hours after a marathon, there's a reduction in something called myelin water fraction in 12 out of 50 white matter brain regions. Okay, hang on, let me break that down. Basically, those areas in your brain that handle movement, coordination, sensory processing, and even feelings show a significant drop in myelin content by about 26 to 28%. But don't worry, this isn't permanent. The study found that MWF levels start to bounce back after 2 weeks and are fully recovered in about 2 months. This whole process is known as metabolic myelin plasticity. It's the brain's way of adapting to energy stress by tapping into myelin for fuel. When our body switches from using carbs to fat during those long runs, it even includes the fat in myelin. Interestingly, the researchers ruled out dehydration as a factor for these changes because the brain region volume stayed stable. So, it's all about the fuel shift. Now, if you're wondering how to boost myelin recovery, the research is still a bit limited. However, some studies suggest that a high saturated fat diet, moderate exercise, learning new motor skills, and getting good sleep might help promote remyelination. What's super fascinating here is the resilience of our brain. This study highlights how our brains can adapt to the metabolic demands and recover from the stress of marathon running. Pretty amazing, right? For all you runners out there, think about this next time you lace up for a marathon. Your brain is not just along for the ride, it's working hard, adapting and transforming. And if you want more tips and updates on running, be sure to check out your local running newsletter for new routes, hidden gems, and upcoming events. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of marathon running and its effects on the brain, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more. Keep running and keep pushing those limits. Catch you in the next video.